Stop scrolling for 10 seconds and answer this honestly. Have you ever met a woman who seemed completely uninterested at first? Short replies, polite smile, no real spark. Yet weeks later, she's texting you first, laughing harder at your jokes, finding excuses to be around you, and suddenly can't get enough of your presence. Most men quit in that early, cold phase. They think, she's not into me, I'm not her type, time to move on. But what if that initial distance isn't rejection at all? What if it's the exact moment her attraction is quietly building, and you just haven't activated the right emotional switches yet? In the next 18 minutes, I'm going to show you 7 powerful psychology-backed triggers that create real, lasting desire, even when she starts off seeming uninterested, guarded, or just friendly. These aren't pickup lines, games, or manipulation. They're natural ways to speak directly to her deeper emotional brain, so she starts feeling pulled toward you effortlessly and authentically. Stay until there's 7, because that final trigger is the one most men never discover. And it's what turns may into, I can't stop thinking about him. Hey everyone, welcome back to Authentic Connections, the place where we talk real, respectful ways to build genuine attraction, emotional depth, and confident presence, especially when she doesn't seem interested at first. I'm Julian. Today we're breaking down something most men get completely wrong: how to create desire in a woman who starts off neutral, distant, or even uninterested, without chasing, forcing, or pretending to be someone you're not. The brutal truth most dating advice hides: you're probably not doing the wrong things. You're just doing the right things in the wrong emotional sequence. Attraction doesn't grow logically. It grows emotionally, through safety, tension, feeling seen, and subtle anticipation. Women don't decide, I want him, the way men often decide, I want her. For her, desire builds in layers, and when those layers are present, she starts investing emotionally even if she didn't plan to. Here are the 7 psychological triggers that flip a woman from not interested to genuinely curious and drawn. Every single one backed by attachment theory, emotional psychology, and real behavioral patterns. Trigger 1, grounded masculine presence, the silent foundation. This isn't loud confidence or showy dominance. It's quiet certainty. A man who takes up space without trying to own it. You move calmly. You speak slowly. You listen without losing yourself. You don't rush to fill silence or seek approval. Why it works: her nervous system, amygdala, relaxes when she senses emotional stability. Safety is the #1 prerequisite for desire, especially with women who've experienced inconsistency or emotional chaos before. A grounded man feels like calm in the storm, rare and deeply magnetic. Real life shift. Instead of over-explaining or scanning nervously, stand tall, breathe slowly, observe with relaxed curiosity. Women feel it instantly. Shoulders soften, voice quiets, they lean in. Trigger 2, light emotional challenge. Create polarity and spark. Most men agree with everything she says. Fearing any tension will push her away. But healthy tension, done playfully, is attraction fuel. Light disagreement or teasing creates polarity. Masculine direction meets feminine response. Examples: she says she loves waking up early. Smile and say, "Really? You look like the world's leading expert on the snooze button." She mentions loving romantic comedies. "Okay, but I bet you secretly root for the villain every time." Keep it warm, playful, outcome independent. No rudeness, no meanness. You're showing, I'm confident enough to have my own view. That contrast wakes up her emotional nervous system. Trigger 3, selective attention and healthy scarcity. Make your time valuable. Constant availability kills desire. When you're always free, always replying instantly, always prioritizing her, your time feels cheap. Instead, live a full life. Hobbies, goals, friends, purpose. Sometimes say, "Can't tonight. I've got plans." Truthfully, be interested, but not always instantly available. Dopamine, desire chemical, thrives on anticipation and delayed reward. A man with his own rhythm becomes intriguing. She starts wondering about you when you're not around. Trigger 4. Intentional, deep listening. Make her feel truly seen. Most men listen to respond. Waiting for their turn. Shift to listening to understand. Remember small details she mentioned casually. Bring them up later naturally. Reflect her emotions. That sounds like it really moved you. Why it works. Being truly seen activates reward centers in her brain, oxytocin plus dopamine. She feels emotionally safe, and safety opens the door to desire faster than any compliment or joke. Trigger 5. Calibrated vulnerability. Show honest strength. Many men think they must appear unbreakable 24/7, but women don't bond with perfection. They bond with honest strength. Share something real occasionally. A past challenge, a lesson learned, a small fear, delivered calmly, without victim energy. Example: I used to overthink everything until I realized most people aren't judging me as hard as I was judging myself. This shows you're human, relatable. You've grown, strong. You're comfortable with yourself, magnetic. Trigger 6. Gradual, respectful. Physical touch. Build comfort and warmth. Light, natural touch releases oxytocin and creates positive physical association. Start small and read her response. Brief arm touch when laughing together. Gentle hand on lower back, guiding through a crowd. Only if welcome. Playful high five or fist bump that lingers a second. Always calibrate. If she leans in or reciprocates, continue naturally. If she tenses or pulls back, stop immediately. No big deal. Respect pulls gradual escalation. Comfort and desire. Trigger 7. Controlled unpredictability. The dopamine master key. The brain loves novelty and anticipation. Be warm and present, but not 100% predictable. Sometimes initiate. Sometimes let her reach first. Sometimes playful. Sometimes deep and serious. Sometimes available. Sometimes focused on your own life. This isn't games. It's natural balance. It keeps her curious, thinking about you, anticipating the next interaction. Dopamine thrives on rewarding uncertainty, not chaos, but healthy variety that makes you fascinating. Final mindset shift. You don't need to become someone else to create desire. You need to become more aligned. Calm presence, full life, playful strength, deep listening, honest vulnerability, respectful touch, natural unpredictability. That combination speaks directly to her emotional brain, creating safety, plus tension, values, connection. Your 7-day challenge. Pick one trigger this week. Practice grounded presence. No over-explaining, no approval seeking. Add one light, playful challenge. Protect your time. Be selectively available. Listen deeply and reflect back one detail she shared. Share one small, honest vulnerability. Use one calibrated touch. Arm, shoulder, if the moment feels right. Be slightly unpredictable. Don't always initiate first. Notice what shifts in her energy, your confidence, the dynamic. Come back to comments and tell me which trigger felt strongest. What changed when you used it? I read every comment. If this shifted how you see attraction when she starts off not interested, drop "I'm trying this" below. Which trigger surprised you most? Let's talk about it. If this added real value, hit like. It helps spread respectful, psychology-based ways to create genuine desire. Subscribe and turn on notifications. We're going deeper into grounded masculinity, emotional intelligence, and becoming the man women naturally want to be around. Share this with a friend who's ever felt stuck when she seemed cold at first. He needs this perspective. This is Julian from Authentic Connections. Until next time, stop chasing her interest. Start creating the conditions where desire chooses you naturally. See you in the next one.